into so area. You understand?
This is unbelievable. Like,
yeah, because like
it's unbelievable. Oh God. Good morning, everybody. See, this is not time to speak English. We have to talk about this thing because if it has not happened this way, maybe when someone dies, before you know, they'll start saying she went to look for money and a man used her for ritual and all that. I ordered a taxifier this morning. I have to walk from my estate to come outside then because I want to use the ATM. Me, my girlfriend, I think 3 of us, but we're actually going to Marina to get some stuff for NYC. So when I called the guy, he said we'll go offline. I said, "Oh, guy, I never see you. You won't go offline. Come, they don't give me estimate already. I go pay." So he took his time to come. When he can't come with Jeep. What I order when I see na Corolla. So only him come they fast to talk, say he just bring this Jeep. His Jeep carry us. So me, I want to say Jeep not my problem because me I dey quick fast to talk all those kind of things. I can't hold myself. So let's go say his Jeep carry us. I can't look my friend can't look, can't laugh of which kind of Jeep be this one. So later, I can say person when I order for this taxifier and a fat person, big where. So this one look different. And when he carry phone fakes me, then when he enter, I can say, okay, how much you want carry me off? Like how much? He say 5,000. I say, okay, your taxifier shows 2006, 3,200. So no problem. Yeah, let's use the meter. He now said, no. I said no problem. Let's use the meter. Or I come down. He said, okay, no worry. Pay more, use meter. Who can't they go? My girlfriend for phone, they look me, they tell me, say, babe, this guy na Yahoo guy. I say, babe, calm down. I be a dog girl. I don't keep person. My brother, I don't get anybody they do Yahoo. So they don't use me do Yahoo. Who can't they go? One reach one point. You got they make calls, they make different calls. You get any accounts for local. You they talk many talk. All in drawers, them full for different phones. And they observe. I touch my girlfriend. I say, babe, anything when I talk now, right now, follow up. She say, okay, we don't use ATM before. Now I say, bro, so I want to use ATM. Now I say, now your meter go to run. I say, bros, no problem, I go pay. You understand? Now I carry luggage. Where's my luggage? She is inside the boot. Now I carry the luggage. I tell my girlfriend, say, carry my other bag. Now we come down. As we come down, now I say, bros, wait. Now I say, bros, you be ritualist. Now I say, the person when I order for this taxi, different from you. I say, why not they do like this? Make go for everybody, now go say I don't go find man. Say they don't use me for ritual. I order for taxi, I won't pay. You know? So the guy don't they shake. Now I say, oh, guy go call police. The boys people they around me, not even sharp. They catch the boy for me. And they explain for they chop amala, they look. I said, this guy carry me now, different person from who I order. And a Corolla and I did what I order. He bring one CRV Jeep, come. Before they talk, before they say, more help for people, the guy don't zoom off. He knows if he reach Aja, corner for bad already this thing they happen. He knows if he reach Aja, maybe we'll go fit cash out. Before you don't make you turn. You don't run, go back. You don't cancel. I people say, okay, how much I won't pay you for the ride you don't give me from Fort Oil to this place. And no worry, if you not pay, no problem. I say, bros. I say, for your life, you know if you see me use. No verse. And then some of my money, and they struggle. Like this, my market, they would go. Make I go buy what I won't say, get my gain, then buy my NYC stuff for camp. Then one idiot want use me do Yahoo. I don't understand. Now the guy takes zoom off. So out of that fear, look at my friends, me officer me thing. Look at another taxi we just order. Out of that fear, I order another taxi. Then when the guy come, I even the fear. I can't go to go to check the number. They tell the guy. The guy come say, say you don't hear this kind of thing before. I say somebody don't tell me this, but my officer just normal line. Now say make I tell una wait I see. I mean everybody they vigilant about this whole Uber and taxi because that's what they even use now.
Let them check profile.
Please. If you use Uber, please check the profile, check the car number before you enter, please. I almost fought a VT for these guys. Me and my three of my friends. I was supposed to pick somebody at the junction, making 4 of us, 4 girls. My market they go Marina. I don't understand. How can I share the video? It's my first time doing this. I've never come to live video for any reason before. I'm not a social media person. So the thing, I would shake, but God don't give me that mind. Say, me I don't get. You know if you use me, like I don't have the guy. I said, bros. As I come down, because I don't want me the guy knows I don't call. If you know, if you don't zoom off, if you not stop, I can't do someone use ATM. I said, bros. I said I want to use ATM, not verse. I said just now your camera. I said, bros. Look me, I'll be a girl. You know if he used me, he was confused.
This is how they go market.
What do you want? See, Amo. Say if I don't carry 5 now. They go say they go see man. Look at the other girl we just picked now from the junction. They for say we go see man.
We're going to buy things for NYC.
They for say look at the other girl at the front. This is another Uber 35 we just bought now.
Oh God.
Eh? Before you know for Badon Railroad, now this thing for the happen like this so. Me see problem. See problem.
She's my friend. She's not my estate. She was the one that called. She was the one that ordered the testifier.
Oh, so that will be as in people go not talk shit. Save her, please don't go find man. I don't understand.
The guy said,
I prefer my 5K profit when I get for my hair. Even 2K because I go run, go market, go buy one hair. When one guy go insult me, I don't go care.
You get local accounts.
You get on the makeup.
We saw a lot of phones.
When do you know where Rashida? When Rashida said you asked me, you said but you've used ATM. I say no.